pump room sea valve.
Leakage test of overboard valve in the pump room connecting to the cargo line sea chest must be tested according to the OCIMF recommendations. This test is to be carried out before arrival at loading and discharging port. Confirm that the cargo sea chest valve, which is located at the outboard and inboard side, are closed. Open the drain valve gradually between the blind plate and the overboard valve to check for water, then close the drain valve. Using compressed air, pressurize the pipe to approximately 0.35 megapascal. Monitor the drop in pressure for 15 minutes. If pressure drop is observed, check for valve leakage by observing air bubbles during drifting or anchorage. Ensure that the pipe system is not over-pressurized during the test. After the test, release the pressure inside the lines. Refer to the ICS OCIMF publication, Prevention of Oil Spillages Through Cargo Pump Room Sea Valves, for detailed procedure of the test.